Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create realistic vampire fangs using polymorph plastic from SFX Smart. So first off, these products are like beads and they need to be dissolved in very hot water. So when it's been dissolved in hot water, it becomes very transparent and becomes very moldable. As you can see in the video, it has dissolved in the hot water. It's no longer looking white. Now it's moldable and you can use it to create any form of teeth design you want. When dissolved, you want to remold it and take away the bead shape. And after doing that, you dip it back into the hot water, take it out, and now fix it into any tooth of your choice. You want the tooth dry so the polymorph can fit perfectly on it. So how you fix this is you put the polymorph and have a grip on your tooth, and then I need you to keep holding it while you shaping the polymorph to the exact shape you want the tooth to have. You want to repeat the exact thing for your other tooth. So guys, here's the final look. I hope you learned one or two things. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And the polymorph plastic can also be used to create a full dentition like this. If you'd love to see a tutorial on this, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section and I would check it out. Bye guys!